Hi, if you're a federal, state, or local contractor competing for government business, it's critical that you make the right decisions and chase the right business. Too often, contractors waste time and pursue opportunities that have little chance of success. In this session, we'll see where by using VisibleThread, we can upload a number of RFP docs, and we can scan them in minutes to help with the bid, no bid, and teaming decisions that are critical to your success. Okay, let's see how. Let me first explain the screen that you're seeing. This is a dashboard. It's running within a browser. On the left-hand side, you see a home area. You also see some folders. And within each folder is a collection of files, in this case 2 Word docs. I'm a proposal manager or capture manager. I'm signed into this system, and you can see here it's Fergal1 or Fergal2 at insurecorp.com. My first option is to create a folder, because what I want to do is I want to upload some docs that I'm going to analyze. I'll call this folder solicitations. Go ahead and create it, and in a moment we'll see how we can upload the docs. Next, by choosing this little plus icon on the top toolbar, I upload these documents. I'll go ahead and do that right now. By clicking the Add button on the left, I navigate to the area where the folders contain the solicitations that I'm interested in analyzing. I choose the documents, in this case a SOW, an RFP, and a couple of other miscellaneous documents lying around. I'm looking to compare these, so I upload those. Once we're done, I go ahead and click the Close button. At this point, I can see that the last uploaded document is selected in the tree on the left, and I can see a number of tabs on the right. Okay, next step. Because I want to compare documents side by side, I will select the folder, in this case solicitations. I'm interested in using the discovery view to figure out what the documents are emphasizing. The discovery view allows you to see within the documents the list of nouns. Using natural language processing, we extract those across all of the documents. So for instance, I can see if there's any references to the word or noun security. Here's what I do. I type in SEC, and I see that there are 74 occurrences of security. Each column refers to each document within that folder. In this case, there are 5 documents listed side by side. So immediately I can see that there is no reference to security in doc number 4. If one of my core competencies as a contractor is to provide security-oriented systems, it might tell me that we may need to consider further that opportunity. Equally, you can click on the checkbox to the right of the number 74, and in the bottom grid, each occurrence of the term, in this case security, is called out in context. This is an extremely useful view to help you figure out what exactly the issuing side is looking for. Okay, so far we've shown a discovery view, which shows all of the nouns across the documents in the folder. This is often used to help inform win theme development, as well as qualification for bid no bid decisions. However, what happens if you would like to explicitly check for certain key terms? Well, we can do that too. Simply by clicking Actions and Run Concept List Analysis, we can use a specific dictionary. In this case, I'll choose Fit Affinity 2, which is an explicit set of terms or phrases that we would like to filter on. I click Run Scan, and when finished, we get an explicit comparison of how these documents size up against certain attributes. In this case, we can see that we've got NAICS codes being checked in the documents. NAICS codes are what the federal government uses to categorize contractors. In this case, 541513 is occurring one time in the first document. Similarly, terms like SBA or service disabled, better known small business, are also occurring in the first document. So it seems to imply that this first document might be worthwhile digging into in a deeper way. This is a dictionary on the left-hand side, and just to explain, when you see something in gray, it means it's not occurring in any of the documents on the right. In this case also, this particular customer has defined a second category called technical indicators. Architecture is a key aspect of what they're looking for. So as we look at this, you can see that they're using this dictionary definition as a way to show overlap in the documents that they're scanning. A very heavy amount of reporting is emphasized in the first document. If reporting and reporting systems are the sweet spot of your capability, then certainly that first document, given the business attributes and the occurrence of that, makes sense to pursue. Also, we can check the box to the right of the number 82. So therefore, you can very quickly speed read all documents, not just one, to get a quick sense of what the type of reporting conditions are. Here we see financial management reporting being required. And the bottom grid, as normal, in VisibleThread, is exportable. So you can take this and export it either into Excel or comma separated format. Okay, I hope you understand and get the sense of how we can use VisibleThread dictionaries to scan and quickly vet solicitations for fit. Thanks so much for your time.